Hi there, students. Vamp. To vamp up, a phrasal verb, vamp something up. A vamp, a noun. And I'm sure you know the word to revamp as well. Okay, so to vamp something up, to make something look more attractive, more exciting. So this essay is okay, but you need to vamp it up with a few more adjectives and adverbs. Maybe a couple of idioms would help you to vamp up your essay. Yeah. Okay. So to vamp, to make something old look better, to revamp. So the office is being revamped. They are putting in new technology. They're making it look nice, and they're making it easier to use. Okay, so to revamp an old building, or maybe you've got an old car in your garage that's 50 years old. Yeah, maybe you could revamp it, make it look like it was new. Yeah, make it more exciting. Maybe you could revamp it with some modern technology under the bonnet as well. Okay, so to vamp. Notice a vamp. Yeah, this is normally used as a to talk about a woman who is confident and uses her attractiveness, her sexiness to get men to do what she wants. Yeah, this is rather like to coquette. Yeah. Okay, so a vamp, or she was vamping it up. The actress was vamping it up, trying to get a new role. Okay, so she's making herself look good so that she can get what she wants. This one's rather sexist though. Yeah, pictures of the actress vamping it up on the red carpet to act like a vamp. Okay, so I think if you use this word vamp about a woman, I think it's probably a bit pejorative. It's a bit disapproving. Okay, so to vamp something up, to make it look new. Maybe you could take an old story and vamp it up, yeah, and vamp it, to rework it, yeah, to make a new version of it. Or maybe a song, a famous song by a famous artist that you vamp it, or you vamp it up, you make your own version of it. Okay, and that's the idea of vamp. Let's see, technically, I think a vamp can also mean a covering for a shoe, the upper part of a shoe, or maybe even a spat, a covering. And I think this is where the idea of to vamp something up, to make it look new and exciting. Yeah, because if you change the upper part of a shoe, then it looks completely different. Okay, so a vamp, or to vamp, somebody who uses their seductive wiles on someone else. Yeah, to act like a vamp. Yeah, vamping for the camera, or to make something look new and interesting and different. Okay, so to vamp. Okay, so I vamped the idea by putting bells and whistles on it. Yeah, the reporter had very little information, so he vamped it up with ideas based on rumour. Yeah, to make something look more impressive. Yeah, to refurbish, to make look more tempting, to make look more interesting, more enchanting, more beguiling. Okay, I guess you could, yeah, a vamp could vamp somebody into doing something. Yeah, to look very sexy and very loving and romantic in order to get what you want. Yeah, okay, to um, improve something, to make it better, to repair. He vamped up the engine. Yeah, he put some new parts in it that made it go much better. Yeah, to vamp up to. You could vamp up your computer by maybe adding some extra memory to it or something like that. Okay, so let's see. To vamp something up, vamp up, I think I'm going to give this a 4.5 informality. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but no more. To revamp, I think 5 informality, use anywhere. And then she's a vamp. I think maybe 4 informality. She was vamping on the screen to get publicity for her latest film. I think informal, semi-formal, but no more. Okay, then, as to origins, well, to make something look good, to vamp up, to make look better, comes from avant in French, yeah, which is the front part of, talking about the front part of the shoe, avant-pied, yeah, the top of the shoe, yeah, and I think that's talking about the appearance, yeah, and then a vamp, as in a flirtatious, seductive woman. This actually comes from the word vampire. I think probably from a character type from a silent film. There was a film, A Fool There Was, from 1915, and Theda Bara had a role in this. Okay, I think as a vamp. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vamp, vamp up, revamp.